with a call to your place. Ain't been out in a while anyway. Was hoping I could catch you throwing smiles in my
I mean, she's a warrior queen, for Thor's sake.
Works every time.
Yeah. I want to get a sore out of it. Hey! Hear him out! What are you gonna do about it?
I know something children don't.
What's that?
That no one bad is ever truly bad. And no one good is ever truly good.
Oh no. Val. Sorry. We're a team now. Now what do you want to do?
We have to save the dragons.
Aye, you got it. Come on, son. Whatever comes, keep hitting the mountain. We need to draw the Alpha out. Ready the traps!
You really are full of surprises. Let's go.
Dragon Riders coming through. Cut them down!
Aaron, son of Aaron! Oh! Up, girl! Lean left, Aaron! That's it! Look out!
Dragon Master.
Welcome aboard, Dragon Rider. Thanks. I think.
Where have you been?
Oh, you know, catching up with Mom.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
The Alpha. Now we have a fight.
Come on, Toothless. Show them what you got, bud. Woo-hoo-hoo! Attaboy!
I've waited a long time for this.
You cannot take on dragons! They are controlled by the Alpha!
Then it's a good thing I brought a challenger.
Another one?
Class 10! Class 10! Come on! Take down the Alpha!
Thank you.
For you, my dear. Anything. Well, you think you can stop them?
I'll do my best. Come on, Cloud Jumper!
You! I watched you burn! It takes more than a little fire to kill me! We've won. Now, finish her! No. Hold on! Skullcrusher, go! Come on, Gorbak! Right behind you, Stoic! You certainly are hard to get rid of. I'll say that.
Toothless. Hey. It's me, bud. It's me. It's me. I'm right here, bud. Come back to me.
He's not yours anymore. He belongs to the Alpha. Please, oh great Dragon Master, try to take him. He will not miss a second time.
It wasn't your fault, Bud. They made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing that?
Please, you are my best friend, Bud. My best friend. Attaboy, that's it! I'm here!
Enough!
Yeah! Hang on! Almost there, buddy, almost there!
Do something!
We need to get those two apart. Gotta block him out, Toothless. Do you trust me, Bud? We can do this. You and me. As one. That's it. Now let's try this one more time.
Take him down, babe! Go get him.
Take control of it!
Shut it out, Toothless.
Stop them!
Now! Not again. Toothless! It's now or never! Come on, bud! Hold on! Yeah! We did it!
No!
He's challenging the Alpha!
To protect you!
No, 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 no! No! Fight back! Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
The Alpha protects them all.